This is what we're unboxing and checking out today, the Realme Buds Q. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your real life in style. And because everyone's been working at home, everyone's been also asking for what possible truly wireless buds they can use. Say no more. Like I said in this video, we're unboxing the Realme Buds Q and we're gonna set it up, do some quick tests just so you guys can see what this thing can do. Let's go. Here we go. We have the same yellow box, very straightforward Realme Buds Q. On the side, some Realme branding. That's a 20-hour long battery life, 10mm bass boost driver, super low latency, instant connection, 3.6 grams. And this is designed by Jose Levy. Yeah, so I did Google who he was. No, not this one, but Jose Levy is one big designer. Wow. Touch areas on the buds and long press 5 seconds for pairing. Let's look at what else is in the box first. Quick start guides and stuff. We got some ear tips and also a charging cord, so that is a micro USB. Let's open this up. So it actually says touch on the plastic. Let's take those out. And here are the buds for you. This is pretty simple looking. I like this better than earphones with those stems because this would probably look less conspicuous in your ears. So like the box says, this case is pretty light. These buds fit in here with a magnet and it shuts with a magnet, so you can feel a slight resistance. That's a very satisfying closing. I like it. It's pretty simple. It's supposed to be designed to look like a rock or a pebble. Well, a big pebble. Let me show you. Yeah, there is an uncanny resemblance there. Such a tiny dandy thing. Smooth edges. It's really only that micro USB port on the back, and there is an indicator light here at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be setting this up. In the meantime, a montage. Right, let's set this all up, and according to this manual, I should just be able to pair it by taking out, well, the bud. Oh, okay, these buds are pretty slippery. Right, I guess I have to go into Bluetooth to pair them. We good. From here, it tells me my battery levels and all the different settings. But here's the deal. I can also go to the Realme Link app, which I've actually downloaded, set it up, and it gives me all the different settings. So yes, there is a game mode, and then you can program different actions for each bud, and this is the area where you tap, and that is basically how it works. Right, so let's finally take these out for a spin. Amazingly, these earphones fit really well in my ears. Like, truly wireless earbuds never fit good on my ears, but these were just perfectly sized. They're pretty light and they never fall off. I tested. That is actually honestly a big deal for me because most earbuds legit fall off my ear really easily. I also usually use the smallest ear tip thing, but with these buds, they fit me really well. straight from the box. As for sound quality, it's good. Okay, I'm not an audiophile, you guys, but I do have my share of sounds and music and auditory experiences. I'm the type of user who look for truly wireless buds so that I have something to use when I'm on calls, when I'm working, when I'm watching shows, and definitely these are good enough. To make it easier, I've created my own scale for sound quality. So we have meh, that's good, and mind-blowing. This can be categorized in that's good because it gives you that experience, although you know that it's not anything that's like mind-blowing, which is fair considering its price point. And like I said, these things, you can use them for calls, and you can find the mics up here, and this is just how that sounds like.
So what you're hearing right now is the audio with the Realme Buds Q. I am recording this via Zoom, so it's a more real simulation of how you're going to be using it in calls. I'm recording it through Zoom as well. So yeah, this is that audio test.
Since we're testing stuff out, I also tried to check how far these buds would work while connected to a device. Experiment time! Started breaking up right now. Okay, it's cutting in and out, but there are still areas where it's good, so not bad. That's a way off. And one last test before this video ends. Right, so this thing does have a game mode in it, so you can activate that by pressing and holding or going into the Realme Link app to turn it on. So in theory, that allows for less latency for when you're gaming, but I'm not really that much of a gamer, so I tried it with the things I usually use earbuds for. I was just editing this very video right now and I used the buds, and first of all, I was very amazed at how quickly these buds pair even to my laptop after initial pairing. So every time I took them out after that, they just instantly paired. When it comes to latency when editing, there is still that latency, although wireless buds tend to do that. Although when I watch videos on my phone and earbuds connected to the phone, it seemed like there was almost no latency, or at least the latency wasn't that noticeable. And that was our unboxing and first look and a few tests of the Realme Buds Q. Definitely a gracefully designed and affordable option if you have the same use cases as me. I'll link the details for this down below so that if you wanna check this out more, you can do so yourself. That's it for today, you guys. Let me know what you think about this video. If you wanna see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's at LAZADA_. I even have a TikTok account now, so I'll see you on the internet. Bye!